advantages of business environment. Today we will discuss importance, benefits, significance or advantages of business environment. So why understanding of business environment is important? Okay. So first point is first mover advantage. First mover advantage means awareness about business environment helps an enterprise to take advantage of early opportunities without losing them to its competitors. Okay? So अगर business environment के बारे में पहले से ही हम लोगों के पास जानकारी है, then we become the first one to take the advantage. हम लोग पहले opportunities का advantage ले सकते हैं without losing them to our competitors. Okay? For example, Maruti Suzuki became the leader in small car market. Why? Because it was the first company to recognize the needs for small car, looking at the rising prices of petrol and large middle class. Okay? So middle class family को देखते हुए and उनकी requirement needs को देखते हुए, it is the first company to launch small car. So that's why it take the first mover advantage. Okay? Next is early warning signal. Early warning signal means environmental understanding or awareness serve as an early warning signal. It makes the firms aware of the impending threats or crisis so that the firm can take timely actions to minimize those adverse effect. Okay? So business में कोई भी जैसे प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है, एनी थ्रेट और क्राइसिस कुछ भी आने वाला है, तो उसके बारे में अगर पहले से जानकारी है थ्रू बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट, ओके, बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट, देन उसको मिनिमाइज किया जा सकता है विथ टाइमली एक्शंस. नेक्स्ट इज बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी. बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी मीन्स टू सर्वाइव एंड सक्सीड इन फास्ट चेंजिंग and competitive environment. A business enterprise must formulate and execute appropriate strategy. Proper strategy के साथ अगर business आगे बढ़ता है, then there will be no loss. Okay? And if a business is following any wrong strategy, अगर कोई भी wrong decision ले लिया गया and wrong strategy follow कर रहा है, then automatically the company will suffer from loss. Right? Next is customer focus. Customer focus means environmental understanding makes the management sensitive about the needs and expectations of the customers. Okay? तो customers का needs क्या है, उनका expectations क्या है, उसके बारे में management ज़्यादा sensitive हो पाता है if they are having the information about the environment. Right? For example, we can take the example of some FMCG companies like Hindustan Unilever, Patanjali. They come with sachets, okay, looking at the needs of the customers. 1 rupees, 5 rupees ke shampoo, oil, Amul, tea. So we are getting everything in sachets now. Number 5 is coping with change. Coping with change means the business leaders are expected to cope with the rapid changes which is taking place in environment. ओके, एनवायरमेंट, बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट में जो भी चेंजेस हो रहा है उसको कोप करके, उसको कोप अप करके जैसे अपने बिजनेस को दे कैन चेंज वॉट एवर रिक्वायरमेंट, वॉट एवर चेंजेस इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द बिजनेस, दे कैन मेक दोज चेंजेस. राइट? सो इन ऑर्डर टू डिसाइड द डायरेक्शंस एंड नेचर ऑफ चेंज, द बिजनेस लीडर दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द एस्पिरेशंस ऑफ पीपल or needs and expectations of people, what actually the customers need. Right? Next is public image. Public image means a business firm can improve its image by becoming sensitive to the public, okay, or by gaining the confidence of the public by working for the society, okay, looking at the betterment of society by providing employment. Okay, so these are the means through which a company can create its goodwill in the market.